How to endorse U.S. bank check. Endorsing a U.S. bank check is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. On the back of the check, there's usually a designated area for endorsements. This is typically marked with lines or the words "Endorse here." Write your signature in the endorsement area. Make sure your signature matches the name on the front of the check. If you want, you can also include additional information, such as your account number. This can help ensure the funds are deposited into your account. If you want to restrict how the check can be cashed, write "for deposit only" above your signature. After endorsing the check, you can deposit it at a U.S. bank branch, through an ATM, or via mobile deposit if you have that option available. It's a good idea to keep a record of the check for your personal financial tracking. Make sure to endorse the check before trying to deposit or cash it. Failing to do so may result in issues with processing the check. Thanks for watching.